Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to create a Snapchat account. So let's get started. Go ahead and open your Snapchat app, and then if you want to create an account, then you'll have to click on the sign up option. Now you can add in your first name and your last name, or you can just put in whatever name you want to put. Next, just put in your birth date and then set up a password. Then after you set a password, and then your phone will ask you if you would like to save your password, then you'll have to enter your email. Next, you'll have to add your phone number, and yeah, this is how you guys can create a account. Just like this, you guys are able to make a Snapchat account. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and then subscribe button, and do not forget to comment on my YouTube video. I'll see you guys in the next video.